lost him now. That is my biggest fear, is to run into one of them hiking.
Well, they're around here.
No, I know they are.
I wonder if he's coming down to the water in the wash. See him yet? They should be right there.
They stand
Unless he
still,
ran the other way.
Really hard to see when they stop moving.
Right there. The tree that's sticking up, like bent over, broken, that's the one we were looking at, right under it. I thought I saw him move. How cool. So we're down at Sage Hill Crossing. Yesterday this was flowing. I'll show you a picture of it. But there's a blue herring. We're watching him catch fish. Maybe he'll do it while I'm taping. He's going slow, like maybe he sees something. Go, get it, get it, get it. Just a few days ago, this was dry. Come on. Of course, I turned the video camera on and he doesn't catch anything.